fresh design.
I think Peter Schreier and his team.
White stands.
It have a very nice and very fresh design.
Really like the design of it. I think the entire design of the car kind of shows off a more mature, kind of upscale vibe.
It's more modern, it's more inspired by the Stinger. That gives it a kind of a muscle, athletic kind of look.
I think Peter Schreier and his team made a great job with this car. I like the design.
The proportions are clean. I think it's a particularly handsome car that'll age really well.
The roof line is great. As I said, I like the fact that it goes a little further back.
I like the grille, it's very aggressive. The headlight details are really nice and
How the lamps are integrated, quite good.
Kia made a great job with the interior design because everything is there where you expect it.
The fit and finish is better, material is better.
The interior has a classic experience, more like a sporty GT.
The main display of multimedia look very modern and very nice.
feeling like it's getting towards a luxury kind of feel with the perforated seats.
The seats on this one, they're comfortable, they're supportive, and you can kind of just get in the car and just know how to use it, which is really important. A lot of buyers.
Kia makes really good vehicles from top to bottom.
People should take another look at the brand because they're really doing some interesting, innovative things.
Think of Kia, I kind of think of a younger brand, something that attracts more younger buyers.
They're stylish, even though they're affordable, which is a good combination when it gets to selling cars.